Alright, now you can see the, sorry about the lighting on there, guys. Now you can see the actual gauges. I put the carbon fiber on the gauges. So, that's the whole thing. Looks pretty good. Like I said, this is true carbon fiber. And, like I said, I'm going to do more. Not too much more on the interior. I think I got a couple pieces more coming, but there's not really much more I can do. I did these last week right here. And I really enjoy those. They really kind of blends everything together. I was going to do this top part of this dash here, but honestly, like, I don't see the point. This is kind of like a carbon kind of look anyway, and the silver kind of breaks it all up. And I was going to do down on this part here, but this little area here, I was going to do all carbon fiber here. But you know what? Like, I think I was just going to leave it. Kind of breaks everything up for what's going on here. So, but thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great Sunday, and always watch the best racing channel on YouTube, Team Import Killer. Please subscribe.